Quarantine Nation, how's it going? So, you saw from the title, we're gonna be doing our Easy Liner right here. Let's take a look at what it comes with. Okay, so this is Easy Liner by CT. Not sponsored, obviously. Got 10 subs to my name. Check that out. And now what it comes with, instructions. We got a gallon can of black base material, 1 plastic bag containing like the stubble stuff, 1 bottle of accelerator, empty container for spraying, which we don't need, 1 brush and roller, and a pair of gloves. So that's what we're gonna be doing now. There's a video on YouTube actually, how to do this. I watched it, so I'm just gonna follow that. All you gotta do is clean it all up. So all I've done is take off the trim pieces, take my stuff out. But we're gonna clean it all up now. And then we gotta sand it, like just a little bit. Get everywhere nice and scuffed. And then we'll start laying our black down. But this is gonna be a huge transformation. I've wanted to get a drop-in bed liner. They're around like 300 bucks. So this is 100 bucks at Canadian Tire. And we're gonna make it work. So I was just cleaning up still and pull my tailgate off because I want to get every last piece of this. But look at the rust we got going here. That's no good. I'm gonna sand that up a bit more. Obviously you guys shouldn't have to do that, but so I wiped it all down. It looks pretty clean. You can see how banged up it is. Like, this truck wasn't even a work truck that I'm aware of. I haven't really used it too much. I have done some junk runs, but I'd say like you need the bed liner. Like, this thing's getting beat up. Obviously work trucks should have a bed liner, but even like this, it's gonna look so much better with the bed liner. Okay, so I'm just gonna go around the block, let it air out a bit. So it's all clean as I could get it, nice and dry. Now you can see the condition it's in. Some rust, not major at all, like none of this is major rust, but it definitely needs the bed liner. So now I'm gonna get to sanding. I'm just gonna use sandpaper, just scuff it all. We'll start right at the back there. Okay guys, so we got tailgate over here, and we got our Ramosaurus Rex ready to be painted. It's all sanded, all cleaned again. So we're gonna drive her in and start the Easy Liner. Perfect fit. So I'm gonna keep it in here for the night. Okay guys, I think there's an issue here. It's empty. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. I guess it doesn't matter. I could actually make it work. I don't really need accelerator. Kind of shitty, but it is what it is. So let's read the instructions here, see what we gotta do. Okay, so it says to pour the resin in while mixing. So we're just gonna gradually pour in. Keep pouring, keep spinning. Okay, so I mixed it up for a long time. It says 5 minutes. Just mixing. You can see there's some chunks still, but way better. Just keep mixing, and then I'm gonna start painting. I don't think I have enough battery to actually paint while you guys watch, so I'm just gonna send it, and if anything goes wrong, I'll let you guys know, but for the most part, I'm just gonna be going from the back, rolling it, and then all the way to here. Okay guys, I'm super stoked with how this came out. I'm gonna wait till the morning now. So for the application, you get a roller and a brush, right? So roll your paint on, it's gonna look like garbage. and then go with the brush, nice thick coats, and it looks really good. Like at first I was like, okay, this roller sucks, but the roller gets the paint everywhere, and then you come in with the brush and get a nice mint coat. So I did it. I did the bed, I did the sides up there, plastic there, and then I did the tailgate. So it's unreal. It's so easy to use. Like you just paint. That's it, you just paint. It's easy as that. So I'm gonna wait till the morning now, and then we'll see how it is. I might do another coat. I still got half a freaking gallon left, so got a lot still. But what I was thinking is maybe if I have left over, I was gonna do my toolbox, and maybe I'll do my bumpers, because I really like the way it looks. Back in the morning, what? It's mint. So it feels really freaking cool, actually. It's really stubbly. Looks really good. There's a few spots where it's a bit thin, like right there, some there. Now what I could do is do another coat, but before I do that, I'm just gonna piece it all back together. I'm gonna put all the trim back on, put the tailgate back on, and then from there I'll do touch-ups. But I'm really happy with how this came out. And I think I'll have enough, because you guys saw I did my rockers, right? But I don't know why, but I didn't even think about using this stuff. I have a ton left. I could do my rockers, which would be, I think, the best idea. Do my rockers in the stubble, because then they're protected, right? Here it is, guys. See this come down. Nice. Look at that. Wow. I actually love it. Like $100, guys. Probably 3 hours, I'd say. Makes it look, the truck look newer, in my opinion. It just looks way better. And I was turning the tailgate and I rammed it into here by accident. And it is Bedliner, and it did absorb the hit and it didn't scuff anything, so that's a good first step. Look how much better that looks. Wow. Now in the light you can see a little bit of more of the clear spots. Yeah, you can see all that. Probably back it back in soon, touch it up a bit, but what I was thinking is doing these rockers, but the only thing is if I do the rockers, I wanted to put the armor over them. If it's all stubbled, it won't stick to the armor. And like, I wouldn't even say mine's a perfect job either, but definitely works, does the trick. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to stick around, there's going to be a lot more content on Dodgy while I'm in quarantine here. Civic's on hold because it's at my parents' and don't really want to go over there if I have it and give it to them and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the sub button somewhere. Hit it. Follow us on Instagram. Thank you guys so much. We're at 246 when this was made, and we appreciate all the support. But yeah, guys, comment, share, stay with the build, boys. That's all I'm trying to say. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next one.